Kabir, could you understand that checking of the sums that day we were doing?
Sir, no, sir.
Checking of the sums, how to cross check your answer? Because by your answers, I thought maybe you have not understood it fully. This is why I am asking. Yes, okay. We will do it again.
I did
Okay,
not.
no problem. This is how we do it. If we miss out on something, we will revisit again. Don't worry about it. I remember that. Many kids have not understood. So what we do, we will keep doing it again and again. As the opportunity comes, we will go back and do it again. We will visit it. And if you wish, you can borrow computer of your parents and check the video on the YouTube also. You know, the same video.
Sir, I
Video,
don't have
upload it on
YouTube
YouTube,
on the-
so you can check again. The mobile also you can check YouTube.
Okay, sir.
This way, part of the things can be done. And if you have any question, write to me, message, no problem. Don't worry about it. Whatever we learn here, if we miss out on something, you are very welcome. You can write to me, you can check the video, and we can do the class again. Who is stopping us? We don't have any syllabus to cover. We are not going to next class. And I am not going to give you any certificate. So what is the problem? We will do again and again. Okay? Don't worry about it. We can do it. So it's 1 o'clock. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So we start today's session. It's 1 o'clock now. What I was thinking of doing today is revisiting the multiplication. Like I was telling Kabir, that validation of question, checking of the answer, we will do it again. The same way, I want to visit the multiplication again, because you do a lot of multiplication, and multiplication is something that if you have a trick or a mental math trick that you can use immediately. Now check the screen here, please. Or should we dive straight into arithmetic, or should we start with some fun exercise? What do you say?
Fun exercise.
Fun exercise.
Okay. Can you convert 1 to 2? Simple.
1 plus
You can
1.
convert
1 is
1.
converted to 2. Just add 1 in 1.
Okay, this is one method of doing it. There is another method of doing it.
Of writing
1
it.
to 2.
Multiply
Yes.
to
Get the arithmetic out of your heads now. Start thinking crazily. You know, when I get into crazy mode, what happens? So I am into crazy mode now. There is no mathematics here.
So
You
you're
have
saying
heard of
that
Carol
when
Lewis?
a child is 1 year old, then he waits for another year, then now he's 2 years old. He'll take 365 days. Now 1 is converted into 2.
No. You have heard of Carol Lewis? Any one of you?
No, yes, sir. So just the name. Just the name, not
No, sir.
I don't know about.
No, sir.
This guy, Carol Lewis. Okay. You may not know him, but have you heard of Alice?
No.
Alice in Wonderland? You have read this book? No.
Yes, sir. Now I remember
book.
she wrote the book, Carol Lewis.
Yes. Carol Lewis wrote the book Alice in Wonderland. And do you know who Carol Lewis was? He was not Carol Lewis. The Carol Lewis was his adopted name.
Sir, it's
when
Charles Ludwig Dodson. Charles Ludwig
Dodson. It's a crazy name. People will get scared of his name and kids won't read his book. So that's why he adopted a new name. Lewis Carroll, and wrote this Alice in Wonderland. It's a beautiful book. Once you start reading this book, you know, in today's age, people don't want to read books. They would rather watch a Disney movie based on this. But if you read that book, there is a lot of things that movie cannot cover. So this is why I don't watch movie. If I have read the book, then it takes the flavor out of it. So same way, Alice in Wonderland, the book was written by Lewis Carroll, and this is a riddle. It is a word riddle. It is not a mathematics riddle. It is a word riddle where you use these words O and E and change one letter at a time and convert to TWO. You know, you take one word O and E, one, then you change one letter only, one letter. You change one letter and then convert to next letter. Then there also, then you go up one letter. Then that there also you convert one letter and go ahead. It's like you convert O N E. Okay, you convert to O B E or O D E, but the word should be logical, correct? The dictionary word O D E, ode. Then you choose to change O to T. You know, like that we have to come to TW. It is not a mathematical exercise. This is an exercise in words. And this kind of puzzles was invented by Lewis Carroll. He did a lot of troubling kids with this kind of puzzles. He was a great guy, and Alice in Wonderland is full of mathematics. A lot of mathematics is there in Alice in Wonderland. Once you go to, you know, watch that again or read that book again with mathematics in the back of your head, you would be able to notice those things. So this puzzle, you can call it puzzle, you can call it brain teaser, but this word can be converted to two. Okay, I will tell you how. I will take you to, then you will get the idea how it is done. Okay, we will go to the whiteboard here, and then I will write it there. And you know what process, how the process goes. This is the Lewis Carroll, they call it word ladder. Okay. Here is the pen. Now he says O N E, one, right? We start with one. This is what we are told. So I will erase it here. We will write it smaller, O N E, one. Now I am given the choice of changing only one letter. So I do O Y E. Is it okay? Because I am changing
Sir,
only
is
one
this
letter.
even a word? Sir, is this a word?
No.
It is a word. Look up in a dictionary, you will find it. Okay. If you OY is a word.
OA is a word.
Okay. Now I am allowed to change one word again. We change this word, right? Now I choose to change this word. I change it to D. You get what is coming up now?
Die.
Die. Okay, die. You know the meaning of die?
Yes, sir.
Not that die,
They
not
color
kill.
they color the
Perfect. Yes, you are
clothes,
very.
sir. The color of the clothes.
Yes, yes. Now again, we keep D here, E here, and can you fill a word letter here?
I.
Y-E.
D and last.
Y. Sir,
I.
Y.
Already you have used it.
Sir, what about I?
You know this letter,
Sir,
D-I-E. Yes, it can be done D-I-E. D-I-E, you can use D-I-E. But we have to land up where? We have to go to TWO. Okay. Then there is DOE. Do. You have heard of this Do Re Mi Fa Li Sa Te, that song, Sound of Music?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Long back in us.
You have heard it? Who said? Please
Yes, sir.
say your name. I would
Sir,
very much want to know
David.
who has watched the Sound
Sir
of Music.
Kabir.
Sir, somehow.
David.
You have watched Sound of Music?
No, sir, I haven't seen
I don't
the
find
Sound of
many
Music.
kids yes.
Sir, I haven't
Sir.
seen it, but
It
in
is a
school,
beautiful movie.
so in a school they did
Ah,
teach
ha,
us
ha,
the
ha.
song Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti.
Uh-huh. Yes,
Sir,
this
I've
song
heard the
is
song.
from a movie called Sound of Music. It is a very, very old music and a beautiful movie. If you find time, watch it someday. I can watch it anytime, any number of times. Okay, so now we have to do next. This is do is done. Now we say change this to toe.
To toe. To toe. The
This is
foot toe.
possible.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can do
sir.
it to toe.
Yes, foot toe. Then we are going to T. Then we write T-O.
TOW.
T-double-O. This two.
Yes, sir.
Now you are very close to turning two. You keep T here, O here, and
W. Sir, why is W so
so
big?
the one becomes. This is crazy thing. So the one became two.
Two.
Yes. I wonder why you kids don't know. I was even I was thinking why this is a small puzzle. Everybody would
Sir,
know.
I didn't understand
So I
the
was
question
thinking of
at
dropping.
first. I didn't understand the question at first that you were saying to change the words.
But you have done it, right? Kids play it all the
Yes,
time.
sir. Yes, sir. I have played it in our school.
Yes, many times we play it, and it is a beautiful exercise both in logic and words. Logic mainly. These are called logical exercises. So this is one thing. The same way you have done this man to ape. You can turn grass to green. Many things are there. Like it is said that man came from apes. Can you convert ape to man? Same way?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir. We
ape-
have to just wait for 1,000,000 years for the evolution to take place. Done.
Not million, it is more than a million. Then you can convert to APT, apt. Anybody knows the meaning of APT?
Appropriate.
No, it is not appropriate. Apt is like you are good at doing something, then it is often called he is apt at doing something. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right, but it is like your capability, you are able. Then once you are done with APT, then you can write P and T, and here you can use O, opt.
Option.
Then you can convert to O. Yes, opt is a verb. Opt is an adjective here. Huh? O, A, oh no, OP. What we can convert here? O, T. Then here we can go oat.
Sir, like oatmeal.
Oat you oatmeal, yes, it is oat. And this exercise was developed by this Carl Lewis. Huh? He did a lot of, he used to run a column in his time. In newspaper, it used to come, then people would write back to him and that kind of stuff. When this oat is done, then you can keep A, you can keep T, you can make mat, and ape is turning into a man now. Now
Sir, this is so
ape
confusing.
became man in 5.
So ape has to become an
It
adjective,
is
then a verb, then a meal, then a doormat, and then he has to turn into a man. Sir, we just broke physics, we just broke science. We thought ape is an animal and it turns through different
you
animals
have
to a man.
to first, yes, you have to first restrict yourself to the context of a question. The context of a question is wordplay. So when we are discussing wordplay, we talk wordplay. Then we don't talk biology. Then we don't talk any other thing. Evolutionary theory or Darwin doesn't come to mathematics that time. So when we are talking Darwin, we talk Darwin and evolutionary theory and physics and mathematics and chemistry and all that kind of stuff. But here we are doing wordplay and logic. So that kind of stuff doesn't come in here. So this is one word play. So you can do your own stuff. Basically, it is for keeping you interested, and you know, it's a logical exercise. This is, and it is kind of a mathematical exercise also. If you do go deeply, now I did not do it. I am just copied it. Huh? I have not done it. If you sit down converting it, then you would need a lot of mathematics and a lot of brain power. I can't do it. I am just copied it from a page. I have not done it. Don't worry that I can do it. If I sit, then it will take hours to do this exercise. Many a times, you know, young learners like you will think, oh, he knows everything. No, I don't know anything. But I am just interested in knowing it. And if I sit with it, maybe 6, 7, 8 hours, I will do that. So don't worry if it takes you time doing it. This is one thing. Now, what we will do is one more exercise we will do. Then I will go back to the screen again. This is some mathematics involved here. Huh? You remember yesterday we did divisibility factors. The same exercise. I have one question for you. Probably you would like this question. Okay, I will go back to the board and then you see. The question goes like this. Where is this one here? Okay, we will do that question later. I can't find it. Okay, it is a tricky question here. Okay, here it is. Here. Okay, there is a guy who asks
Sir, I can't
someone,
see.
what is the...
Sir, it's really blurred.
Is it okay now?
It's blur.
Yes, sir,
Is
better.
it clear now?
Better.
Okay, 1 minute. I will align it. I will align it again.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? It is still tilted. Okay. You see, one person meets another one, and he says, they are talking in a street, and he says, what is the age of your children? The woman has 3 children. A man and a woman are talking. So the woman has 3 children. The man asks, what is the age of your 3 children? 3 children, huh? 3. The woman is very clever. She doesn't give him the right answer straight away. She says like this. The product of their age is 36. Okay? 3 kids, their age, whatever their age is, the product of their age is 36. This is one thing they are saying. Second, they are saying is, she says, sum of their age, like if you add up their age, it equals your house number. That is, it is not very significant here. The one she says is, my oldest child is at least an year older than either of the other. There are 3 kids. So at least one kid is older than 1 year. This is the question. So here I will help you understand this question. She says the product of their age is 36. Yesterday, you remember we did this when we were doing 36. What she says, the product of this age is 36. There are 3 kids. So if we see 36 can be divided into how many numbers? Like 36, she
Sir,
says if you multiply their ages, if you
Sir,
multiply
it could
their
be
ages,
12 into 3. It could be 6 into 6.
yes, 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 yes. But we have to find 3. You are very right. The track
Sir,
is very
and 2
right.
into
The thing is,
2 into
36 is
18.
12 into 3 into 1. Why cannot be? You are right. 12 into 3 into 1. You are right. And what other number you said?
So 6 into 6.
12 into 3 into 1 year. 6 into 6 and 1 also.
Yes, sir.
Why
And
not
so
1?
2
1 is
into
also a
18
factor.
into 1. 2 into 18 into
2
1.
into 18 into 1. So one kid could be 2 years, another one 18 years, one could be 1 year. What is the problem? Then another one. But here, why don't we make 36 factors? 36, how much it is divisible by 36? See, let us make a tree. It is divisible by 2.
Yes.
So 18 is also divisible by 2 because it is a even number here. 9 is also divisible by 2 or no? It is not divisible by 2 because it is 9. It is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and then 3 3s are 1. So the number are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 2s are 36. So we have 4 here, and here it is 1. So you are right. You took 12. You converted this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits to 3 digits, right? This is what you did. 2, 2, 2. So we can use 4 also here, right? 2 2s are 4.
Sir, I didn't convert anything. I just know 12 into 3 equals to 36.
Okay.
That's
But
what I
now
said.
we have to look at all the possibilities. All the possibilities in 36. We will write all the possible. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 12 into 3 into 1 is already taken care of. Now 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 is already taken care of. Now it is 3 3s are 9 and 4. 3 3s and 4. Could it be the possibility?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you see here what he says.
But 2, 3 and 6 is also
child,
possible, right?
2, 3 and 6. Of course it is possible. 2, 3 and 6. Yes. 3 here you will make 2 and 3 6. 6 2s are 12 and 3s are correct. You are very right. This is a possibility. Of course it is. 2 into 3 into 6. Very right. This is a possibility. And here, because in the meantime, we will also check what other things he is doing. Maybe we don't need other factors. This is why I stopped. You are right. There could be other factors. My oldest child is at least 1 year older. 1 year older means at least 1 year older. Then either when she says either means 2 kids are of the same age. That's why she is saying either of the. Yes. So it could be this. Is this could be the answer?
Yes, sir, it could be.
No, it can't.
Then
Sir,
which
3
one?
3 4.
This one?
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Because 1 year older at least that way. So whatever we are doing like multiplication or like yesterday we did division. So,
So the ages can't be the same, right?
Which one?
Like of 6 times 6 times 1, that's not possible because the ages can't be the same.
No, it says it is 1 year older. Two are same age, yes, but this should be older than this. Two kids are of same age. Here two kids are of same age, and one is older than 1 year, fine. But here two kids are of same age, but this one is not older. This is younger. This is why it is ruled out. Otherwise, 3 and 3 when we got close to what question is saying. When it says either, so here we have to also see the context of the question. When she says either, so this is why we stop looking at these possibilities. Why bother about it? This is how when we go to competitive exams and other stuff, first we do by method of deduction, eliminate 2-3 possibilities.
But the answer could be anything. Like the answer
There
could be
other
either
possibilities, but here only 2. No, then the third condition is there. Either of the other, 1 year older than either of other. This cannot be. This is the only question. Answer now. The products could be more, but the answer could be only this, because 6 and 6 is not working out. Here, 1 year older is not working. Here it is younger. This is why it cannot be other answer. The answer is 1 only. Now I will give you one question. This is not, we will not solve it here, but it is just a idea how simple looking situations could be complex, and this I will take a whole class on this. It is a very tricky and very interesting question. I will not say tricky. Nothing is tricky for you. Okay, I will give you this idea. Maybe you take it home, think about this, and then we will discuss it later. I will just explain the question to you. Suppose a girl bought 3 stationery items. She bought 3 items. One is, say, pencil, eraser, and sharpener. Okay. She paid 100 rupees and bought 100 items. 100 rupees and 100 items. Very simple. 100 rupees she pays and she bought 100 things. Very simply, 100 rupees she paid and she bought 100 things. Cheap, huh? Maybe there was a sale going on somewhere. Okay, 100 rupees, 100 things. But now we see what are the things he bought. Total we know. We don't know the breakup. We know the price. We don't know, number 1, pencil, how many she bought, erasers, how many she bought, and sharpener, how many she bought. We don't know. We only know the price of it. This is the question. Looks easy, huh? There is nothing very tricky about it. 100 rupees she paid, 100 items she bought. When she paid 100, she was given 100 items. Now, we don't know what those items were. The quantity of each item we do not know, but we know the price of each item. We know the price of each item. One pencil costs 10 rupees, one eraser costs 3 rupees, and one sharpener costs 50 pence or 50 paisa, that is 0.5 rupees. Now, what exactly is the proportion of these 3? This is the question. She paid 100 rupees. Pencil is 10 rupees. Eraser is 3 rupees each. And sharpener is 50 paisa each. That is 0.5 rupees each. We know the price of each item. And we only know this. She gave 100 rupees and she got 100 items. And we know the price of each of the items. Now the question is, how many pencils she can buy, how many erasers she could buy, and how many sharpeners she could buy. Now there could be many answers. You see, maybe she buys 10 pencils, maybe she buys 1 eraser, and there could be a mix and match. But the total should come to 100 and the item should come to 100. Now this is the question. The items, total items 100, total price 100. Now you choose, pick and choose what items you want to buy and how many pencils she bought, how many erasers she bought, how many sharpeners she bought. I will load this one in our WhatsApp group, and it will really take some time to see this. And this question is not just a question. I am taking you somewhere with this question. There would be a complete class for this specific thing. And I remember somebody, one of you asked, we want to learn algebra. So I want you to get into the mode of knowing a little algebra. When we know algebra, then things become very easy. This kind of questions can be handled very easily. This question can be handled by using options also. Like in 36 we choose 366. This way we can do many options and do this question. 100 rupees.
Sir, can you again show the question?
I will load it. Sure, I will show the question to you again here. I will make it straight. Okay, it is straight enough here. 100 rupees. And you don't have to write because I will upload it in WhatsApp group. You can download from there. ₹100, 100 items. We don't know what is the mix of that item. How many pencils, how many sharpeners, how many erasers. But we only know the total rupee should be 100, total item should be 100, and three things. Now mix and match, whatever way, there are hundreds of ways to reach that point. This is what doing mathematics is now. And nobody will throw this kind of a questions to you because they would treat you as kids. They would say, inke bas ki nahi hai. They won't be able to do it. But I don't not only know that you can do it, one thing I know is you will struggle with this question. The struggle is more important than getting the final answer. Getting the final answer matters in schools. Getting the final answer matters in exams. But here, when we are doing mathematics, struggle matters more. How much you persevere and you continue doing the same thing, that matters more. And this is what I want you to develop. One thing is intuition for mathematics. Intuition means you feel something is missing. Like you felt there, in 36, when we were doing that question, you felt, why? It is 12 into 3. The only thing you missed is one factor. So you added one. This is what training is about. Training is only a little push, but you have it in you. You have that intuition. We have to develop it. But schools and exams, they are out to kill that intuition. They would say, no, what you are thinking is wrong. And if you feel, many a times you feel and you know that answer is this, they would say, no, first you explain how you got the answer. Forget it, I got the answer. But they would make you unbelieve your intuition. So you believe your intuition and you just persevere with the answer, quest of the answer. That's all. You may not be able to find this question, no problem. But when I explain the answer to you, you would better grab it if you have gone through the process of looking for the answer. Okay, so this is one thing. This is a two questions we have done. In a school class, we don't even do 2 questions in 1 week. They would take so much time to understand. One thing I have seen with all you people, that you know a lot of things already. So I have to come up with something that you don't know, that I should be introduced to you. You know so many things. When I bring a small question, you guys answer it in fraction of a second. Then I am scratching my head. What else to bring them now? Then I go higher. You are pushing me higher. So we are growing together. This is a great thing. This is how learning happens. I am knowing, so like this Lewis Carroll thing, I was very reluctant. I said, they will know. So you already know it. The only thing is the phrasing was not right. That way, you know a lot of things. The only thing is, I must bring you another things and we interconnect. Like we connected this 36 age question to what we did last time. Okay, now we will do a little multiplication by mentally, and you have done a lot of multiplication. Just go grab a calculator for now, and you will know the process. We will revisit the multiplication again because we have done multiplication before, but I want to revise it and introduce you to maybe 2-3 things more. This is how we do. Revise what we have done and do 2 things more. Then again next time we will do multiplication, again add 2-3 things more, like that. So you have pen and paper and calculator ready? Or if you need
Yes,
time,
sir.
bring the calculator and paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
could you show the question again?
Sure. We are going back to the screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Eraser and the sharpener.
And I will upload it in the WhatsApp group.
Pencil cost. Cost 10 rupees. An eraser cost.
Eraser is 3 rupees.
3 rupees.
And sharpener is 50 fils, 50 paisa.
Okay.
Okay, can I remove it now?
It is 50 paisa, right, sir?
Yes, 50 paisa is like half a rupee. This is why I have written 0.5 in rupees. Or
Yeah,
you can
I
write
wrote them
half,
down.
1/2. Yeah, 1/2 also you can write.
I
Okay, I will upload it in WhatsApp group, no problem. You can check it. Okay, and we will do beautiful things with this. It is a very interesting thing that we are going to. And I am bringing it to you in confidence that you love challenges. Nobody would dare bring this question to a kid who is in 5th grade or 4th grade or 2nd grade. They will not even think about it. But I know we will do it. If we don't do it, we will struggle with it. What is the problem? Okay, now you very simply, you see, if I ask you, you have a calculator, but generally, if I ask you how to multiply 63 multiply 92, is it scary?
No.
Okay, then do it. Mentally, huh? Don't use calculator.
Okay, I know how to do it.
Okay, what process you are going to adopt here?
First is
We have done it before.
1 to 1. That's the formula, 1 to 1.
Avi, you want to join in? You want to join? Yes.
Oh, yes, let's do this.
Then you can do crisscross here. You remember we did
Sir,
this
I'm doing the
method
crisscross
before?
method.
Okay, very good, very good. This is the method for this. See, remember this question? We did like that.
Sir, it's 99, I guess. I don't know why. Sir, it's coming 99.
Sir, it is
No problem.
5796.
I will show you the method again.
Sir,
You see
I'm
the
getting
method again and do it
5796.
again.
Sir, 5796. Cross method and we did.
Correct, correct. This is crisscross method. So we first multiply these two, take the answer, then this way and this way, take the answer, and then this way. Like AB, this, then you multiply this, and then multiply this. Okay? Okay?
So that's
Now
what I
you do
forgot
this
to
question.
put the gaps. I forgot to put the gaps.
No problem. So you do it.
So 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 6.
Yes, do it. Yeah.
I'm gonna write here 6.
Very good.
And 2 multiplied 6 is equal to, I'll write here 12.
Very good.
9 plus 3 is equal to.
9 threes are.
Oh, yes.
3 times.
9 threes are. Yes, correct.
Yes.
9 threes are 20. So,
Okay. Then what we do is,
and then we
yes, add
these
them up.
both, and the answer comes 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and 2 and 1 plus 2 is equal
39.
to.
Yes. So
Or you can
we
do it
write
this
here.
way too.
Whatever. You write here now. One digit, second digit is answer now. Available now. 9.
9 and 3 can carry forward. and
Oh,
right?
3 I will take. Dung, 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 dung. Like this. 3.
Oh, yeah, that should be good. Okay. So,
This kind of stuff you leave to me.
Can
This.
you see it now?
Yes. Now it is clear. Clear.
Okay, so now we'll write here 6. 6 multiply 9.
6 multiply 9. How much?
I know.
Yeah.
54.
Go ahead. If you
54.
know, tell me.
6 multiply 9. 6 multiply 9 is 54.
54 and
3 is equal to 58.
ah,
Simple mistake.
50.
5796.
Yes. Yes. Right. Right.
54.
Plus 3.
5796. 5796.
5796.
Perfect. So this is the answer. So this is crisscross. You still remember it? Great. See, we keep revising it. We keep revising it because we know if we keep doing it again and again, then we make it better. And we always relate to a question. Okay, so this is done. Now, Abhi, crisscross is easy method, right? It is easy. But what if I give you even easier method? Okay.
Oh, yeah. Even easier.
But there are certain issues where this is the Brahmastra. You know, this is the atom bomb. If nothing works, if the sword doesn't work, if the knife doesn't work, crisscross will work 100%. You can multiply 12 numbers, multiply 10. Okay. But I will give you one very, very easy idea. Okay. What if I ask you multiply 104 into 98? Why we are doing 104? Why we do little easier? We did two things.
Because there are uneven
Okay, so we will do
digits.
smaller.
So there are
Okay,
uneven
we will
digits.
do small. So it is one that we will tackle, but we will do 2 and 2. We will do 56 multiply 54. Now, do it with your big stuff, missile.
Okay, so
Apply the missile.
okay, I'm writing it by with the brown.
104 into 98, right, sir?
Okay, do we have a timer? Do we have a timer? Do we have a timer? Start doing. I will start the timer. Oh, no.
3, 2, 1, start. 6, 4, now we have 2.
Yes, 6 4 is 24, 4 2.
4.
Yes, 4.
4 and 3 start 4, 5 and 5 is going to be 10.
Huh?
5 and 6.
5 5 is 25.
Oh, yay. Not 10. 25. 5, 6 are 30.
Yes, 30 plus 25.
Why is that so smooth?
Okay. Keep doing. 30 plus 25.
Approximately exactly 5.
Yes, 55. Come on, did anyone get the answer from crisscross? And please say your name, before telling us the answer. Everybody is doing crisscross method.
Okay, I'm also doing.
You also do.
The answer is
Not a competition,
3024.
just- 3024, correct. Please say your name. Okay, do. Okay.
10. And
Ah, 5, 5,
for David.
And 530. Okay, but here you have missed something. You have made a mistake here.
Sir, 4 times
6
5
fours
is
are
20. Oh,
Yes.
the carry forward 74.
Huh?
The carry forward I forgot. Right.
Kaise? Look, 6 fours are 24. So we write 4. Okay, then we carry forward to here. Okay. Now this way 5 6 are 30. 5 fours are 20.
20.
20 and 30. 30 plus 20, 50. And what you have to do here?
Plus
2. Then you have to write 2 here.
Oh,
2.
yeah, correct.
And then write 5 here. So carry forward, you write here itself. 5 5s are 25 and 5 30. Okay. So this time it has taken more than 30 seconds to do it. Let us do it in 5 seconds.
Okay.
You want to do it in 5 seconds or less? As you see the question, you would say the answer.
Can you put the cap on this because this marker is not.
Sir, can you give a harder
don't have
problem?
So I have the yellow marker.
No, here we will improve on the time.
Oh yeah, we are going to one time.
This you can do it in 2 seconds.
Once again, is the yellow even?
No problem. Okay, leave it, leave it.
Okay, the yellow is
Okay, I will show you one specific thing here. You see here 6 and 4 are adding up to 10. You see here the last digits here 6 and 4 are adding up to 10. When you find something like this, then you can kill it like anything. Okay, I will make it smaller. Get me a wiper. Okay, clean. Okay, I will do it again. I will give you 2 3 examples and then you will know what it is. 71 multiply 79. Okay. 56 multiply 54. Are you able to see?
Yes.
1 1 2 multiply 1 1 8. These are 3 kind of questions. You would come across this, like, you know, when we
Sir, I
talk
know how to
about
do.
select having many tools. Okay, then do it, no problem. Okay, when you come across this kind of a question,
5609 is the
Where?
answer of the first problem.
okay, then 6 and 4,
24.
2 and 8.
Sir, next one
Okay.
is 3024.
You see, the last digits, yes, last digits are adding up to 10. Okay, so I will tell you what is the quickest method to do it. If you apply crisscross here, it is going to take time, right?
Yeah, sure.
9 1 is 9, then 9 7 7 ones, then adding up and all this.
Okay.
Simply
Sir, I
do
know.
one thing. Very simple. Very simple. When you say this 56 by 54, simply multiply these two. 6 4 are 24, 4.
You write
And
0.
5 you multiply by 6. Next number. Don't you remember the next number formula?
Oh, yeah.
5 6 are 30. 6 4 are 24. 30 24 is the answer. 71 19. 1 9 is 9. 0 7 7 are 49 is the answer. 16 6.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Use this. Okay, I will explain. 2 8 are 16. 11 11 are, you already know what is 11 11 are. दोनों को ऐड करके बीच में घुसा दो. 1 11 multiply 11.
One, two.
Huh?
I know 11 multiplied by 11.
But 6. Right?
Sir, 1 to 1.
11 multiply. You're right. Yes. You say now it is 12. It is not 11. Now you do.
Okay.
Now you do. 11 multiply 12.
1 3 2. I know.
Do it.
11 multiplied 12. 1 multiplied 2.
Huh? Add them together and insert in between.
Oh yes.
That process.
Okay.
1 you keep 1.
And I keep 1.
1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, insert it in between. 3.
Sir, I didn't
2
understand.
you keep here, 1 you keep here then. Okay, no problem. Now I will explain to you. If you come across any number where you find the last, this unit digits are adding up to 10. 1 and 9 is 10, right or no? 1 and 9 is 10. Here you say 6 and 4 is 10. 2 and 8 is 10. If you come across this kind of a question, or suppose the next is 42 multiply 48. Suppose you come across this kind of a question. Simple, you do one thing, 2 multiply 8, direct you multiply and write here 16. Directly.
Okay.
And here 4 you multiply with next number, next natural number. 4 to next, 4 5s are 20. So this is the answer, 2016. Check with the calculator, is it the right answer? Here what we did, again 1 you multiplied by 9, straight away you wrote 9, and 7 you multiplied with 8, the very next digit.
Yes, sir, it's the correct
7 you
answer.
multiply with,
Yes, sir, it's the correct answer.
yes, you try with other combinations. If you write, yeah, here also we multiplied 5 with very next number 6. Here we multiplied 11 to 12, next number.
3024.
Yes. This is 11. Huh? We multiplied it to very next number, that way. Okay, if you have any other combinations, we can try, or should we try this one? Okay, we will do a couple more, maybe it will make things very clear. Okay, 1 minute, huh? Should I write the questions and you do the answers?
Yes,
You
sir.
do.
You can write the
Yes,
question.
sir.
53 multiply 57. 1 second. 63 multiply 67. I can't write answer.
3021.
3 7 are 21. चपेड़ दो नीचे. 21. 5 6 are
3021.
next number.
30.
Very good. 6 next numbers. This as it is. 3 7s are.
3 7s are.
Yes, right.
Sir, answer is 4221.
42.
21.
Oh yes, 21.
6 multiply next 7 next digit. Next natural number. 6 7s are.
6 7s are.
42.
6
42.
7s are.
42.
No problem. You don't remember 6 7
42.
7 multiply 6 we have to do. 7 3s are, you know.
42,
much?
sir.
21.
Yes.
Then double it.
Sir, I don't understand this
How
method.
much? Okay, this is method for lazy people like us. I will explain to you how we do it. We don't remember the tables at all. I will explain how we did it. No problem, no problem. See, when he doesn't even know the table of 7. He doesn't even remember the table of 6. How we do? 7 multiply 6 we have to do. Okay, he has forgotten his table. No problem at all. Nobody is going to judge you. 7 multiply 3, you know. 7, 6 is 3 and 2. 7 3s are 21, and then you double it. Simple. What do you do? Okay. Now we undo one. Remember, this will work when the last digits add up to 10. Okay. Can we do bigger question now? Interested in big question? 113
Yes, sir.
multiply 117. Simple.
Sir, I can't see
What
it
I told
very
you.
well.
Oh, sorry. It is my mistake. I will adjust it here. Can you see last digits adding up to 10? 3 and 7? Isn't it? See, last digits are adding up to 10.
21, sir.
Correct. Right, 21. 11, how much?
132.
But 11 you must
11,
multiply
12.
next number. 11, 12. Very right. Perfect. Multiply 11 by 12. Now see, 11 by 12 is easier. When you say 11 by 12, then you do one thing. 2 you write here, 1 you write here, and simply add them and insert in between. 3. 132. So we write the answer 132, 21. This is the answer. Check again with your
132,
calculator. Is it the right? Yes, 13221. Is this the right answer? Can you check with calculator?
It's
the
right
correct
answer.
answer.
It's the correct answer only, sir.
Okay, can we practice the digit sum here? What do you say? Like, you remember I have explained to you that we can cross check our answer. Should we cross check this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the digit sum here? 1 plus 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. For finding the digit sum, what we do? We add the digits. Okay. Here, what is the digit sum? 1 plus 1 plus 7.
Nine.
7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 means nothing. Okay. Here you see 3 plus 2, 6 and 2, 8. Oh, sorry. 3 plus 2 plus 2. 5 to 7 and 2, 9. This is also 0. And here also 0.
14.
So this is, yes, this is how you can check the
How
digit sum
to
part.
solve 73 times 40 with this method?
It will work, but last two digits should add up to 10. Last digit should add up to 10. Like in this case,
what about-
143,
But what about
आइडिया तो मेरे को पता है.
73 times 47?
73 times 47, 73 times 47. It will work, of course.
54.
7 3s are 21. 7
Two.
and what you are saying? 73 and 47.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
here
sir.
they should be same. The number digit here should be same. No, it will not work with 47. It should be same here. This digit should be same.
बैटरी इतनी ज्यादा क्यों चलती है?
It should be same here. Huh? Last digit only is allowed to change.
4 into 56.
Yes, 14 into 15. When you come across this question, you solve it in 2 minutes. Next, you have the crisscross method. with you. So you simply make it 15.
तब तक मैगी भी बन जाएगी.
14 into 15. Now you do 14 into 15. But how do you do 14 into 15? There you can use again the same method. 14 into 15 crisscross, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry forward, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 9 and 2 11, 1, then 1 1 1 is 1 and 1 2, 110, like that. You can use that again. Crisscross you can use again. What is the problem?
I have one more example, sir. 54 into 56.
You can do it. So 7 3s are 21 here, and this you fit 210. So is not this the answer? 21021. Because see, here we could not make use of this method, so we did crisscross here. That you can do. You choose, pick and choose, huh? Like if some question can be killed by a sword, use sword. If nothing works, then use crisscross. That will sure work 100%. No question about it. But that takes time. So if we can avoid, if we find some question that can be handled with smaller, we use smaller. Otherwise, we will solve. Even this question you can solve with crisscross, isn't it? 221 multiply 229. You can do it with crisscross. Of course you can do. There is no question about it. But why should I waste my time when I have 10 here? So we simply say 1 multiply 9, right?
Sir, how to do crisscross in this number?
For 3? 3, we did it last time. For 3 numbers. Okay, I will upload the document again. Okay, no problem. We will do it again. I will upload the process again to you. It is same way. It is similar way that we will do again. Okay, or I will take another class for that. No problem. See, like I told you, our job is to get good understanding. So crisscross, we will do it tomorrow. Okay. We will do 3-digit crisscross tomorrow. Today we will finish it because then we run out of time. I don't want to take much of your time here. So today we will finish this. Tomorrow we do same way crisscross. Okay. It is simple. Crisscross is you multiply this right here. Then you multiply this right here. Then you multiply all this and right here. Then you multiply this. like it is A, B, A, B, A. Like
I didn't understand actually. Tomorrow, can you say?
okay. Okay, yes, one by one we will do, and I will also upload the sequence in WhatsApp. So you can practice at your home. Okay, if you don't understand, tomorrow we do it. Here, this you have understood, right? Last digit simply multiply, this digit you multiply one more.
Even I got one more example. 54 into 56.
Yes, 22 multiply 23.
Sir, the answer is
Can we do it with
50609.
crisscross?
Submit that to that.
Yes, but here 22, 23, you can do it with crisscross. See here, 22, 23, how you will multiply? Again crisscross. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So you write
Sir, the
2,
answer
1
is
here,
506.
and 2 2s are 1. Oh, yes, 506 here. So here, write 506. This next one. Simply, this is the last two digits. Huh? It will work on last two digits. If they add up to 10, then you do this question, and you can try your own. Here, you don't have to waste your time doing crisscross and all this stuff. When you say 2, 46 and 2, 44. Here again, 6 4s are 24, and here 24 into 25. Yes, it is. Now, can you do 24 into 25? You have any method for doing 24 into 25? Any simpler method you have? Huh? See, here 6 4s are 24 we have done last. And here what we want to do, 24, you want to multiply one next number. That is 25. Can you do it? How we will do it? 24 to 25. You can do crisscross, but there is one more way. Why not take it to 100? 24th is 1/4.
Yes.
So you make 1/4 of 24. How much it is?
100.
Oh, 1/4
Then I
of
didn't
24. Half.
understand.
24 half is 12. 12 half is 6. Then add 2 zeros, 600. Why do crisscross here? When you have to multiply by 20, 5, 50, very easy. Do you get this idea?
Oh, yeah.
What I was telling you here? See, in this case, you have to multiply 24 to 25. Okay. When you have to do 24 to 25, what you can do? You can do crisscross. 24 you will write here, you will write 25 here, then you will do crisscross, lot of stuff. But there is easier way to do it. See, 25 is how much of 100? 1/4, right? So if I make 24 1/4 and add 2 zeros, answer simply multiply by 4 and add 2 zeros. That way. Okay, so this is you can do a lot of practice at your home and see how you can make it better. Okay, so this is basic multiplication practice. There are a lot of multiplication exercises we will be doing, and so you not have one exercise, you will have 10. So you choose. Never you have to remember your times tables or anything.
Okay.
You pick and choose.
So it's
Okay.
It's about time
Yes,
now.
it is about
Bye,
time.
sir.
Thank you very much. And then tomorrow I will upload it on WhatsApp. Check it in WhatsApp,
Bye,
and then
sir.
tomorrow we do another stuff again. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much. And bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, tell me. Then.
The 15
Thank you, sir.
parts we did, that one I
What?
didn't understand how to do it.
This 24 thing, 24 multiply 25.
No. 15 cards in WhatsApp. You started right, sir. 15 cards.
Yeah, I will do it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Or you send me the question in WhatsApp. I will try to help you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No problem. Okay, you can send message in WhatsApp, or if I because once the class is over, I get busy with my other business, but I will try to answer you, no problem. And tomorrow we will do the class again, same time. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Have fun.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye everyone. Thank you.